Hello Sridhar. Watches with a square dial and automatic movement, we've got you covered. First up is the Ernest Borel Men Retro Square Blue Watch. This watch has sapphire glass crystal, automatic movement and a dial with a metal texture and 3-dimensional bezel. It has a date feature, square analog dial, 30-meter water resistance and an elegant blue dial. What sets it apart is the octagonal case design, which is unique in the market, and it also has alternate inner and outer curves. The Fossil Men Inscription Square Black Watch. This unique masterpiece has a mineral glass crystal, automatic movement and a square dial. This watch also has 50-meter water resistance, 3-hand functionality and an elegant black and rose gold dial. This watch also has black leather strap which adds to its beauty and functionality. Last we have the 7 Friday Unisex PS Series Square White Watch. This elegant timepiece has a white dial and a sapphire glass crystal. It has an analog dial and automatic movement. Along with this masterpiece has 30-meter water resistance, 3-hand functionality and a stainless steel case. This watch also has a black leather strap adding to its functionality and versatility.